How to turn on or off downtime on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. On this page, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on Downtime. As you can see, downtime is currently turned off. Tap on Turn on Downtime until tomorrow if you want to turn it on. Downtime will be turned on until midnight. During downtime, only apps you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. If you want to turn it back off, then tap on Turn off Downtime as shown. You can now resume using your device. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off downtime on iPhone.